In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw the affiliate earnings on Whop. If you've been earning affiliate commissions on Whop and you're ready to move that money out of your account, this process is very straightforward. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to click so you can complete your withdrawal smoothly. To get started, head over to Whop and open the home page. This is the main dashboard area where you can access your account activity, finances, and other tools. Once you're logged in and on the home screen, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct account, especially if you manage more than one profile or workspace. That helps avoid withdrawing from the wrong balance by mistake. Next, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on All Balances. This section is where Whop groups together the funds associated with your account, including the money you've earned and any available balance you may be able to withdraw. Opening this area gives you a clearer view of your financial summary and takes you one step closer to the withdrawal page. After that, find and click Withdraw. This is the action that begins the payout process. Once you select it, Whop will guide you through the withdrawal flow based on the payout methods connected to your account. Depending on your setup, you may be asked to confirm details before the withdrawal is completed. As you go through this part, it's a good idea to double check the amount you're withdrawing and review any payout information shown on the screen. If this is your first time withdrawing earnings, make sure your payment details are already set up correctly in your account, so there are no delays. It's also worth keeping in mind that processing times can vary depending on the payout method and any platform review requirements. And that's it. To withdraw affiliate earnings on Whop, you go to the Whop homepage, click All Balances in the top right corner, and then click Withdraw. It's a short process, but knowing exactly where those options are can save time and help you avoid confusion. If you're following along while doing this in your own account, just move carefully through each screen and confirm your details before submitting the withdrawal. That way, everything goes through as expected. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you withdraw your affiliate earnings on Whop quickly and easily.